Hi guys, Mani Hanif here. Welcome to a special video. One of the great things about Facebook ads is the ability to create different ads and achieve the same objective. So with Facebook, there's three main objectives: awareness, consideration, and conversion. And the purpose of these objectives boils down to three things: lead generation, sales, or brand awareness. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Facebook Messenger ads for your business and why they are important. So, when you first go onto Facebook, you will see this screen on Ads Manager. As you can see, Facebook has a messages option. We click that. And then all you do is obviously select your budget. So in this case, I'm just going to put down $20. Okay. Click continue. And the next thing you will see is Facebook gives you an option to select your destination. It says choose where you want to send people to message your business. So because we're going to be creating a Facebook Messenger ad, I am going to select click to Messenger. The next thing is you obviously have to figure out your targeting. Okay, I'll have a ton of videos on targeting anyway. So let's just say you're, I don't know, just teaching people how to build their self-esteem. Okay, and you just select an age group and you just self-esteem issues, whatever. Okay, choose the country. So in this case, I'm going to choose the US. The next thing to do is select your placements. Now, some people like to use every single placement there is. I'm just going to use the following placements. I'm just going to use the news feed, the Facebook news feed. And the next thing to do is basically scroll down, click continue. Okay, so now you have to select a Facebook page. If you don't have a Facebook page, you can create one. And what we do need to do now is create the ad as normal. So go to add media, choose some images. Let's just use this image. Okay, and basically build your self-esteem with our blueprint. Build your self-esteem with our easy to follow blueprint or whatever. This obviously this video is not about creating this copy or whatever, but the purpose is to show you how to create a messaging ad. So what they do is you have a headline. So learn how to boost your confidence easily. And then what you do is it says send people to chat with another page. So what you can do here, you have an option to send people to chat with your Facebook page. Okay, but I'm just gonna basically, it says when people click on your call to action button, they'll be sent into a messenger conversation with the destination page you've selected. Now if you turn this off, okay, we can still able to do this. So it says this bit here, it says send message or learn more. You can basically click learn more or even whatever call to action that you have here, they'll be taken to a messenger conversation with you. Okay, so I'm just going to look at send message. Okay, next thing to do is you have two options here. Okay, you have option number one, you've got start conversations. Option number two, you've got generate leads. Now the purpose of the first option is you can actually chat with people who are interacting with your ad. It's basically everyone, okay? You can just customize it with questions. Option number 2, this is slightly more automated and much more qualified. So you're focusing on getting qualified people who have answered the questions, okay? In this video, we're going to be focusing mainly on start conversations, because obviously this is the sort of a default option. This one you can bring in messenger bots. We can talk about this in the next part 2 of this video. So let's click on start conversations. Okay, so we click on create. So now, as you can see, we have option to select a greeting, customer actions, and a bunch of questions. You can select text and image, text and video, text only. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to select text only, and it says hi and the name of the person. Please let us know how we can help you. You can customize this whatever you want, and then you can select 3 options here. You can select quick replies, which means you can show short replies that people can send to your business, like I want to find out about something, I want to call this office, I want to I want more information on your website. And then multiple quick replies will appear side by side as options to tap. You can send people to a destination out of Messenger, which is a website, or you can have frequently asked questions. So let's just go for quick replies for now. I'd like to learn more about your services. This bit gets a bit slow on my laptop because I don't know why. I'd like to know more about your services, and automated response could be simply visit our website at www.manihanif.com. Okay. What we can also do is add another quick reply. So we click on add reply, and then we can have something like two quick replies. I would like to find out more about your services, and then it says you can call us now on 777-554-321. And now I'm going to click on preview in Messenger. Let's head over to our message board. So here you can see you can have options here. Okay, on your phone this will be a lot better. But it says here, hi, please let us know how we can help you. I'd like to know more about your services. And then the response is this. Let me just get rid of this. And then you'll have this will be a delay of like this bit here. There's like a delay of over 10 seconds or something, and then the other options that you set out will appear here again. So this should remind you, these are the other options. I would like to find out more about your services. Okay. And let's just do this again, preview message. So let's just do this one. I would like to, let me just, okay, I think these are the same questions. I would like to find out about your services, and obviously you've got one with giving a phone number as a response. Okay, so I think it's, let me just, preview in message. Okay, there's this one here. I would like to find out more about you, and then there's a response with a phone number. This again, you're still automating the process, but you're giving people a chance to select the different options. So basically, this is how you do it. Another way to do this is through frequently asked questions. So basically, this is how the frequently asked questions appear. So it says, hi, first name, please let us know how we can help. So you can set questions already that people would most likely to ask. So you can say, can I make a purchase? I'm interested, can you tell me more? can I learn more about your business? So each time they click these options, these responses would appear. So whatever you set in these responses will appear on here. Okay, they'll appear on here. And guys, you know, I've been using messenger ads for my clients with great results. And if you want to learn more, and if you want to book a call with me, if you're a product seller, info seller, consultant, then I would love to speak to you. Click the link below, and I would love to book a call with you guys. Okay. Another thing I would say is, you know, this is virtually still untapped. So if you want to get in on this, you need to get in on messenger ads because it's amazing, and it's giving me really good results and insane results, very cheap. My name is Mani Hanif. Hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you guys on the other side. Peace.